It is. All these fucking cars. I want to get a video of the Tron. Finally. I'm in Austell, Georgia. This is the Ekin Freight Tron. I'm making a video of a freight Tron. I came here to make videos of Trons. Trons are fucking cool. It's exciting to make videos of Trons. And my fucking pants are falling down. That Tron's going to Nashville. Because that railroad track goes to Birmingham, Alabama. Someone actually taught me that. Most people don't want to teach me that because most people are fucking stupid assholes. But it's exciting to get videos of the Tron. And this is the Ekin Tron video. Oh God, I may as well try to cross the street. Because the Tron is going that way. I don't know, fuck it, maybe I'll just stay here. I can get the Tron pretty good from here. It's exciting to be making videos of Trons. I'm so glad I came to Austell. I wonder if they cut this is, oh, what the fuck you call it? They named this town after autism. Or it's, derivative or whatever the fuck you call it. And a lot of people on the autism spectrum were like Trons. I wonder about that, but I don't know. All these Trons are going slow, but at least you get a good look at them. It says JB Hunt. That rhymes with cunt. Hunt rhymes with cunt. Well, I'm so glad I have Asperger's. No one makes more interesting Tron videos than I do. That's the end of the Tron. But they don't put cabooses on Trons anymore, those fucking bastards. I remember when they used to put cabooses on the Trons. And I wish I had a I wish I had a camcorder back in the days when Trons had cabooses. It's exciting to make videos of Trons. I hope some more Trons will come by before I'll stay here for about another hour to hour and a half. Hopefully get a couple more trons to come through. Someone was here for X and a half hours and trons came by. That would be, oh fuck, that would be like, oh shit, I can't divide that up. Like X trons per hour, I trons per hour, something like that. But I've been here for almost 2 hours now and only trons have come by.